Welcome back everyone. This video is about the Trust Wallet login, where I will show you step-by-step process indicating how you can log in or create a new account in the Trust Wallet. So let's start. First of all, open the Trust Wallet app that you have previously downloaded. You can either open from the Play Store or from your phone. As you open the app, you will find a screen like this. Tap on Get Started. Now at this stage, you will have two options. You can either create a new wallet or you can log in with your existing wallet. Since I don't have an existing wallet, I will simply tap on I don't have a wallet and create a new one. The next step is to create a passcode. Make sure you create it strong and something that you can remember. After confirming your passcode, you can also enter your biometric in order to help you while logging in. Well, that's pretty much everything. My new wallet has been created. It's asking me to enable push notifications, so I'll just tap on enable. As you can see, a new wallet has been created, and now you can use multiple features on this wallet app to deal with your cryptocurrencies and NFTs. Well, that's it for the video indicating how you can log in or create a new account on Trust Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.